let us discuss what are solutions and which are the different types of solution. So first we'll focus on solution. So what is solution? Solution is an homogeneous mixture. It's an homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. It is a homogeneous mixture of two or more than two substances. Now every solution which we take is made up of two components. Every solution which we take is made up of two components. One we call it as a solute. The second component we call it as a solvent. We call it as a solvent. So let us focus on what is solution. So the component which might be solid, liquid or gas. The component might be solid, liquid or gas which dissolves in a given solvent. So the component which dissolves in a given solvent is called as solute. And what is solvent? So the substance in which the solute dissolves, that is called as your solvent. So in general, whenever we talk about the solute is present, the solute is present in less quantity and solvent is present in more amount. Solvent is present in more amount. Now, let me take few examples to make you understand the different types of solution which we have. So, I have salt solution. So, when I take salt solution, a salt will act as a solute and water will act as solvent. Water will act as solvent. I'll take another sulfur in carbon disulfide. So your sulfur will become solute and carbon disulfide will become solvent. Now let us focus on one more category of solution, that is called as aqueous and non-aqueous solution. So we'll try to discuss about what is aqueous solution and what is non-aqueous solution. So in a solution, if I use water as solvent, then I call it as aqueous solution. Then I call it as an aqueous solution. Okay. Now we have another category that is called as solution where we use water as a solvent, then we call it as an aqueous solution. But if we use a solvent other than water, then it is termed as your non-aqueous solution. Now, which all the solvent we can use it other than water? So, let me take few examples here of non-aqueous solvent, like we have benzene. So, benzene, that is C6H6 as non-aqueous solvent. I have carbon disulfide, that's also act as a non-aqueous solvent. Then I have carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, and alcohol that may be your ethanol, or we may use methanol, that is methyl alcohol, as solvent. Okay, So this becomes your non-aqueous solution. So if I am using water as a solvent, I call it as an aqueous solution. And if I am using solvent other than water, then I call it as a non-aqueous solution. Thank you for watching.